Hi guys, it's Mikey here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to react to another legendary blues artist. This time it's Stevie Vaughan. We're going to react to his track, Texas Flood. Let's get straight into the video. Woo. Oh, he is killing it. Well, it's not even, it's just what, 1 minute in and he's destroying that. Woo!
Well, it's flooding down in Texas. All of the telephone lines are down. Well, it's flooding down in Texas. All of the telephone lines are down. Well, I've been trying to call my baby.
Ooh.
Lord, now, ain't gonna sing a song.
I really love how strong and raspy his voice is. It's really beautiful. You see that? I love that bit. It just shows you how much like emotion and feeling you can get just from playing the like one note. Let's see. And his face says it all as well, isn't it? What? Wait, is he doing what? Yeah, he is doing what I think he's doing. He's playing the guitar behind his back. Oi! What happened? Oh hell, I think he broke his string as well. I mean, you're probably bound to if you play with it behind your back. Oh, straight back to it. Woo! And he's not playing no chords or like some basic chord progression. He's soloing.
Well, I'm leaving you, darling. You're not going back home to stay. Yeah, I'm leaving you, darling. You're not going back home to stay. Well, back home, I'm no closer to a tornado. Baby, the sun shines every day.
Oi, that was crazy. That was a awesome music performance, but it was a proper show. I mean, he was playing the guitar behind his back at one point. The vocals were crazy powerful and just A1. Guitar playing was great. The band and accompanying him was just, they were just mad good. Yeah, I guess he could really put on a show, that's for sure. And yeah, that was just, and one thing that stood out for me from the whole video was just the energy, the amount of energy that was coming out from this performance. It's just, I don't know, it's not something that you see every day anyway. I feel like he was really putting his all into it, and it was just really fun to see. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching today's video, and I hope to see you guys soon. Take care guys, bye.